Yo, guys, welcome back again today. And today, we're back, and we're going to be learning Ghana Pidgin, or Ghanaian Pidgin, right? So, my lovely guest in the background, could you explain a little bit about Ghanaian Pidgin, like what it is, where it comes from, if you could even tell me that?
Okay, so like basically, Ghanaians watch a whole lot of Nigerians movie, and Pidgin is from Nigeria.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, although we have but people call it broken English.
Of course.
Yeah, but we know that, like, I think the Jamaicans speak a whole lot of broken English.
Everybody does. African Americans speak broken English. Jamaicans speak broken English, which is Patois, or it's like a language of Patois. Then they also have different. I think they have different pidgins in, like, some maybe in the Caribbean or South America, and then obviously in Africa too, West Africa mostly.
Yeah, so with Nigeria, like when you go to Nigeria, everybody knows how to speak Pidgin. It's something which is very, very common. Mm-hmm. From the market woman to everybody, like just think, even the kids, everybody can speak it. Mm-hmm. But when it comes to Ghana, it's not everybody that can speak it, but they understand it because they watch a whole lot of like Nigerian movies.
Of course, because it's like not too far away.
Yeah,
like
but
a country away.
They cannot speak it. Okay. So most people that can speak it, most people that like to speak it is like students, like in the universities, like those, most students, so let's take junior students. Yeah, so the students, the ladies don't like speaking it. No, they don't.
Not really?
It's a guy's thing.
It's a guy thing?
Yeah, like that's what they think.
Well, that's perfect for me.
Like they think, when you speak it, basically, you won't see a whole lot of ladies speaking Pidgin. No, they try to slang, try to.
So the Pidgin is in Ghana. It's looked as more like a
guy thing. Like when they try to, they call like speak with their homies, their homeboys.
Yeah, like slang.
Yeah.
Or like street talk.
Like street talk.
Street talk.
Yeah, but so with the ladies, they don't feel it that way. They basically don't want it. They don't speak it.
They don't speak it. Okay. Yeah. Well, thank you so much for that history. We're going to get to this video, and we're going to get to this Pidgin. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. So with Pidgin, with me, although I understand it a whole lot, but because I don't speak it a whole lot, So I'm going to try to teach you a little bit.
Okay. Well, hey, guys, it's all about trying. You know, everything's not perfect, but we're just going to try.
Yeah.
Okay. So this one is, I want to come to your place. Yeah. So tell me how to say it.
So, Charlie, I want to come your day.
I want to?
So Charlie, I won't come your day.
I won't come your day.
Yeah, like I won't come your day.
Charlie, I won't
come your day.
I won't come your day.
Yeah, so Charlie, Charlie, I won't come your day.
I won't come your day. Oh, Charlie, I won't come your day.
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm starting to love this.
Yeah, Charlie, I won't come your day.
Charlie, I won't come your day.
Oh yeah.
I'm loving this. So that's the first one. I'm really loving this right now.
Yeah.
This is around my lingo, because a lot of black people in the world, they speak like this, even in America, what it do.
Yeah.
This is, what it is. Number 2 is, I want to eat all the food.
Yeah.
So how would you say?
Okay, so I want chop all finish.
I want
chop all finish.
I want chop all finish. I want chop all finish. I want chop all finish. I love that. Ooh, I love it. I want to chop all finish. Right?
Yeah.
My picture's pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Don't lie to me.
Oh no, it's great. It's awesome.
Okay. Yo, guys, she's lying to me, but I'll take it.
It's okay. It's okay because we, the Ghanaian people, we are not even perfect. So you're doing great with it.
Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, because it's not all people that can speak it.
Well, thank you. Well, now since you told me that, I appreciate it.
Yeah.
We're going to move to number 3. And number 3 is, so this one, guys, is I'm going home.
Yeah. I did go home.
I did go home.
I did go home, yeah. I did go home, yeah. So, I did go home. So
I did go home.
Yeah, I did go home.
Oh, I did.
I did go home.
I did go home.
Yeah, so the day is D-E-Y.
D-E-Y. D-E-Y. Oh, yeah, like Cincinnati Day. Yeah, like Cincinnati Bengals, the football team in Ohio here?
Yeah.
They have Cincinnati Bengals and it says Day, D-E-Y. But it comes from black people, really. Or at least that's my thought. Because I never heard anybody say day except for black people. But day. So say it one more time.
I did go home.
I did go home.
Yeah.
I did go home. Okay. I did go home. I did go home. I did go home. Hey, I did go home. That could be a new song. You trying to make some Ghanaian Afrobeat?
I did go home.
I did go home. I did go home. Let's go. I did go home. And then we throw Pop Smoking on the remix. I don't know why I keep saying it. It just reminded me of that earlier when we was talking about it.
Yeah, that's right. That, like, I still have it in my head. It's crazy. It's still popping in my head.
I know, popping. I love a dark skin. I
Like
love
a
a melanin. Okay, yo guys, we're having a good time over here. So let's go to number 4 right now and give me number 4.
Okay, so number 4 is, I'm trying to tell you, oh, I'm coming right now.
So guys, number 4 is I'm coming right now.
They come there now, like, okay, or they come down fast, like I'm coming, I'm coming very soon. Or yeah.
Haste, like with haste. I'm coming with hastily.
Yeah, like,
so say it one more time.
Okay, so you can say it in 2 different ways. Okay, they come now, like they come there now, or they come fast.
Oh, so I can say I did. Let's say I did the first one. I did.
They come now.
Oh, I did come now.
Yeah, they come now. Oh, Charlie, they come now. Oh, where you did?
Where you did?
Where you did? Like where are you at?
Where you did?
Like where are you at? Like where are you at? Where you did?
Where you did?
Hey Charlie, where you did? Oh, I did pass somewhere. I did come now. Like,
oh, I did pass somewhere. I come now.
Yeah, I'm at somewhere. I'm coming right now.
Okay. Ooh, I love this. I just love Pidgin so much.
Okay.
Watch, when I go back to Ghana, I'm gonna be speaking Pidgin.
Yeah, it's gonna be exciting.
I'm gonna sound just like I'm from Ghana, right?
Mm-hmm.
You hear that? Don't lie.
Mm-hmm. People be like, "Oh, you're welcome."
Right.
Yeah.
Like
People will not recognize that you are from.
I'm loving you
I'm
right now.
kidding.
You have a lot of points. You can
I'm kidding.
lie to me.
No,
yes,
yeah.
lie to me. Yes, I love it. I sound just like I'm from Ghana. Lie to me.
I'm just lying to straight in your face.
I know.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on to the last one, which is number 5, which is I see a girl that's pretty.
Yeah.
Let's go.
She did fine. Oh.
She did fine. Oh.
Like she did fine.
Oh, she did.
Yeah, she did fine.
Oh, she did fine.
Yeah. Oh, my brother. That chick, she did fine.
Oh, my brother. Hold on, let me repeat you first. My brother.
Oh, my brother. No, like, okay, don't say it brother like the way American know. Oh, my brother. Oh, my brother.
Brother.
Oh, my brother, yeah.
With a D.
Oh, my, yeah.
Brother.
D-A.
Of course.
So, oh, my brother. Oh, that chick, she did fine. She did fine.
Oh, my brother.
She did fine.
Oh, that chick.
She did fine.
She did fine.
No, I'm just. Like you see that? That chick, she did fine. Yeah.
Why can't I say
I want him.
Why can't I say
I want her. I want him. I want him.
I want him. I want her.
I want her. Yeah. I want him now.
Okay, so let me ask you this question.
Now.
When you say right? Because that's very popular in Ghana.
Yeah.
At the end of this video, I just want to just say this.
Yeah.
When you say it's the same way you say like in Canada, right?
Okay. Like is like when you are astonished about something.
And you'd be like, so say it like how a Ghanaian person would say
Sa. Really? Sa.
Mm.
Oh, like, so example, like when we're having a conversation, they'll be like, like it means really. Now I get it.
Okay, so I can say
yeah, but you should mean it.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to mean it. I'm trying to mean it. I'm trying to mean it.
I'm just saying, like I like your hair. Oh, really?
So is there a O that's like, somebody's like faking, like they're trying to like they're being sarcastic, like they really don't like your hair, but they're like,
Okay, so so they can see somebody with maybe like abnormal something. Like,
I see. Okay. Well, yo, guys, this is the end of the Pidgin video. There was another one that I forgot about too. Is it like, hey? But it's funny that Ghanaian people say, hey, like on the movies when I love Ghana movies.
Okay, so when you say
But let me show you the connection between African Americans and Ghanaian people, right?
Okay.
Ghanaian people always say, hey, right?
Yeah, like when you like feel threatened or something, like when some,
or like you get pinched, you be like, hey. But here's the funny thing. African Americans also say
to me
when they party.
Yeah, like
every time they dance, they be like
yeah.
You see? You see the connection between Africa and African Americans, like, Ghanaians and African Americans?
Please, so stop there, please. Why are you doing this? Huh?
So Ghanaian people would say it like that. African Americans would say it like, hey, 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 hey. It's like a party, you know what I'm saying?
And then when you go home and say, hey, somebody will think something's wrong with you. Hey, somebody will think something is wrong with you. Because you're screaming for help. Yeah, like, so back home you say, hey, somebody, boy, what's wrong with you? Like, what is happening?
Well,
they
thank
think,
you.
Like, it's something happening, like something is happening.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for teaching me a little bit of Ghanaian Pidgin. I really appreciate it. Yo, guys, that's the Ghanaian Pidgin right there. I don't know how good or how bad I was. I think I was pretty good on that. But if you're from Ghana, let me know what you think. Be nice. This is my first time. You know, don't be so mean. But yo, guys, please like and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification so you can always get my videos. And also add me on all social medias. Yo, always love each other, always learn from each other, and always try to learn new things. And yo, guys, until next time, yo, I love Pidgin. This feels like home to me.
Yeah.
Peace. One love.